Hey guys, welcome back or to the channel. This is Ada's Garage, and Mom likes to mix up her protein shake. I'm not even sure what this is. Get that back. Can you kindly open this up for me? Can you kindly open up the water bottle for me?
I already put the stuff in it.
I want to demonstrate making another one.
Oh. Well, let's get in a fresh bottle then.
That is a fresh bottle.
Oh, is it?
I literally just grabbed it.
Oh, okay. Then I have to take some out of it.
Okay, take a drink.
You don't have to get that on camera.
I didn't. Well, I got a little bit, but I want to cut it out. I may not. I'm just joking. So Mom puts the protein powder into the
Collagen.
Collagen powder, whatever the heck it is. Is collagen? No, it's collagen. And she puts the cap on.
And then you shake it.
You know, you shake it. How do you normally shake it?
I shake it like this.
Like that? Okay, cool.
Until it disappears.
So I showed her this. Guys, it's for when you put your water bottle in the inside of it. I think that's pretty good.
Demonstration.
There you go.
I think it's done.
It's definitely done.
Shake my whole body.
Right?
Holy crap.
Do you want to do it?
No, go ahead.
Okay. It's very simple. Just like that. Take out the water bottle. And ta-da! Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Please like, share, and subscribe. Peace!